Senior Citizens Party was allowed to run in the election. So when it garnered enough number of votes, the Senior Citizen Party list was disqualified by COMELEC. So we thought that it would be unfair for the party list, Senior Citizen Party list, to be disqualified at that point where it has already garnered enough number of votes to be assured of seats in Congress. Now I prepared a synopsis explaining the case to the Chief Justice because we were in recess at that time, and I prepared a draft TRO where I explicitly recommended the issuance of a TRO against the COMELEC to refrain it from implementing the assailed COMELEC resolution insofar as the coalition of associations of senior citizens in the Philippines was concerned. I specifically mentioned this party list because this is the only party list involved in this case. So, considering that this matter was urgent, I did my best to complete all the recommendation and the draft and submitted this to the office of the chief. It was received early in the morning at around first hour in the morning. So I've been waiting in my office for her to arrive so that this TRO can be issued. But and in the meantime, at the time that I submitted the draft TRO, there were only 14 party list organizations which were proclaimed by COMELEC. But as the day went by, at the time that in the afternoon, already 53 party list organizations were proclaimed. So there was a danger that the senior party list organization may lose their slot in Congress. So finally, sometime in the afternoon, I think it was when the Chief Justice arrived, and I learned later on she did not call up my office, although I kept on asking the staff of the Chief Justice, was she able already to act on my recommendation, but I did not get any positive response until I received a TRO which did not refer to the COMELEC resolution which was in question. Because when we issue the TRO, we make sure to read very well the prayer, and the prayer would identify what is to be restrained. So in that petition of the senior citizen party list, it was very specific. It pertains to their disqualification pursuant to a COMELEC resolution. So the draft that I submitted mentioned the COMELEC resolution, and I mentioned that it is specifically about the senior party list only. Now, when later on, the TRO was issued by the Office of the Chief Justice, and I found out...
Meaning the Chief Justice?
Issued the TRO.
Yeah, the Chief Justice issued it, not the office. The Chief Justice po nag-issue ng TRO.
If we are in recess,
yes, ma'am.
It is the Chief Justice.
Yes, ma'am.
But usually, it is upon the recommendation of the member
yes,
in charge.
I'm just trying to clarify because you said the Office of the Chief Justice.
Sorry.
The Chief Justice
yes,
herself.
I'm very sorry for that.
Thank you, ma'am.
So it was the Chief Justice who issued the TRO. And the tenor of the TRO is that the COMELEC is stopped from proclaiming all remaining party list organizations. So, parang to whom it may concern yung kanyang TRO. And so I was taken aback because I am being attributed to have recommended that because the TRO says upon recommendation of the member in charge, and I was the member in charge. So I wrote her a letter that you altered my recommendation. Why did you do that? She didn't even call me up.